I bought this Denka Lift as inoperable at an auction, and I have found several errors with it. But now I can lift the basket, and I can do all the motions from both from the ground control and from the control in the basket. As you can see, we have one big problem. This basket should be leveled. So this is how the basket is kept leveled. It's done by 2 mercury levelers, mercury sensors. So the mercury flows in one direction inside of these and short these sensors out. That sends a signal back to the main board that activates one of the actuators on the side of the basket and tilt the basket until the sensors are no longer shorted, and then it stops. So that's how the basket is kept level when you raise it or lower it. And this part seems to work perfectly fine. So I will just close this up. Following the cables here. So this goes in here, under here, in the goes there, into that, and follow that tube here. So it comes out here. Everything comes out here. So I will open this box then. Just come up to the control box. So I measure this, and they have contact with the main board. So everything is looking okay. Just close this up. When a button is pushed, and then when it's okay to levitate, or it's wrong, it's not level, the basket not level, it should activate this relay. It didn't do that because it had no ground, and the ground is created by this transistor. So I replaced that one. One of the leg was off. Hopefully that's the issue. And we have a new one. And this up. The basket is moved constantly. And also on the down position is easier, because then you can hear the actuators moving. The basket. But we need someone to test the basket. I'm looking at you. Okay, jump in.
So, how does it look up there? Yes, looking good. I'll bring you down.